A family discovers 5 small neighborhood exchanges that dramatically shrink their monthly expenses by swapping everyday needs. They borrow tools, trade skill lessons, swap pantry staples, share rides, and host a potluck that replaces dining out with community meals. Each swap strengthens trust, reduces waste, and lowers bills while teaching the kids practical budgeting through real-world cooperation. The story follows honest conversations, careful planning, and the joy of giving as the wallet grows lighter without sacrificing comfort. Subtle, hopeful, and totally doable.